Thanksgiving, it's a day for turkey and togetherness and trying to balance looking good with leaving room for dessert. So between planning and meal prep and the feast, your outfit should be the easy part. In today's Style File, we say, don't panic buying something new. Your closet already holds everything you need. So we are rating your wardrobe for the perfect Thanksgiving fit. Style editor Daylan Dove is here with 4 combos you can copycat. We're making it easy. Whitney and I were just looking over here going,
easy.
Oh, those are some ideas for us.
So easy because I think we make it more complicated, right? The easy thing about Thanksgiving is I like to focus on being comfortable is number one, because we all need that little bit of dessert, a little bit more. So I want it to be comfortable, I want it to be classic, and I want it to be chic. So kind of those 3 C's that help you to kind of put together these easy combos. You have all this in your closet, just use these 2-part formulas to create your own Thanksgiving outfit.
Okay, fantastic. Let's start.
Easy peasy. Let's
First
start.
up, we have an oversized sweater.
Yes, the oversized sweater plus the wide leg jeans. And this is such a classic. I think we all have this combo in our closet in one way or another. I picked a really thick, chunky Free People knit that I have in my closet that I go to all the time. It's super cozy. I also love to pair a big cozy knit sweater with a classic wide leg pant because it helps balance out the volume on the top and the bottom. Plus a wide leg pant is so flattering. It elongates your leg. And then if you add a bootie or a heel or a mule, you can easily, play to the fanciness level of your party.
Up the chicness.
Up the chicness.
I'm going to give a pro tip though. If you're the one cooking, you're not going to wear this because
you're
so
going to be hot.
This is if you're a guest. This is if you're a guest. But I do love this combo and just the colors, of course, that are so autumnal and so lead to this season.
Yep.
Okay, and then these matching sets. You're a fan.
Sets.
They're here to stay.
They're not going anywhere. I think the great thing we love about especially when it comes to something like a sit-down meal where you are maybe overindulging, right? These are gonna move with you. They're super comfortable. This one happens to be a skirt set, so it kind of ups the chic level a little bit, but you can do this in your Free People set. You can do this in your Amazon dupe set. The way that I like to elevate a set, if you're going out to a dinner, going to someone's house like this, is a really chunky jewelry piece. So it can be gold, it can be silver, but what you're doing is you're just adding that little bit of shine to the outfit, which elevates it in a way that maybe is unexpected to do with a sweater set. And it can even be that way if it's a pant set, if it's anything like that. But just think about adding some layers of jewelry to help boost up that level.
I'm trying to get to this point where I feel comfortable wearing jewelry on top of my clothing.
You can do it.
I can do it. I know. I feel like it was old-fashioned, and so I shied away from it for a while, but I feel like it's one of those things that has come back.
It's back, and people are doing so many layers that I think 2 feels like a really chic way to pull it off.
2, okay.
Just 2.
I thought it was always odds. You're just doing 2,
no,
and it looks
I'm just
great.
Doing 2. Just doing 2.
Okay.
Pair it with an earring.
This is my favorite length of skirt, the midi.
The midi is so flattering. I want people to be really flexible with this combo. It's a midi dress because I think it helps with the length. It's really flattering, but this dress combo can also be a really flowy, like chiffon fall dress with a structured blazer. I have more of a ribbed sweater dress with like a suede jacket over the top of it. But what you're thinking of here is just adding those layers to it. This is for more of a dressed up occasion. If you're going to the Grand America, if you have more of the grandma's fine china, right? Like these are those more dressed up looks, but be willing to like mix it up a little bit. I love a structured blazer or like this second layering piece to it because it does add, Casey Matheny calls it our 3rd magic piece, but it adds a level of like intentionality to your outfit that really makes a difference.
And adding some black. It's kind of that grounding we've been talking about with the black because all of the rest of these are very, those fall colors. And then this is striking. It's
striking and it pairs with the bootie so that it feels really put together.
Okay, fantastic. And finally, the cardigan we're seeing everywhere.
The cardigan is everywhere. Honestly, I just picked this up from H&M. It's under $20, but I think honestly the fabric feels really good. I like the color. I'm obsessed with the paper bag pants we've got going on. Free People does a really good one. As well as this is just an Old Navy version, but it's got a really great like tie or like cinched waist here, so it helps naturally define that waist. It's really flattering. And then the fully buttoned look adds a level of sophistication. So pairing these 2 together, is automatically just really classy because of the fabrics, because of the fit. It feels cozy, it feels breathable, but add it with a nice loafer, a cute headband, and it's automatically really chic as well.
Here you go with the black and the brown
The
again.
black
and you're
and the
wearing black and
brown.
brown. Did you know you were doing this trend?
I didn't intentionally do it, but it feels right. It feels right.
I like it, the black and brown. It's something you wouldn't think of, but I like it. And we are putting all of these combos because we can't remember all of that off the top of our head.
You're not supposed to.
You're not supposed to.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Daylan. We'll
Thanks.
put these on studio5.ksl.com.
Thanks.
Thanks.